Alrighty, so this video is going to be how to change your mirrors the easiest, fastest way in 5 steps if you're not doing power. And these do have power to them, these do not. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be putting them on there and then later running power in another video. Step 1, we're going to pull this panel off just like that. And then step 2, we're going to take these screws out. And they're also, you got to pull these plugs out to get behind them to get to the screws. See, there's a screw there, one there, and another one down here. I just changed the mirrors on that, so these mirrors on the hood are donated from the white truck. All right, pro tip when you're taking these out, I break them all loose, and then I put a little electrical tape in this socket. And when I stick that on there and I pull these out, they're not going to fall down in the door. I dropped one on that truck and I never did get the nut back. So I lied. I only had masking tape, but it should work the same. So I already broke them free. So they should just be hand tight like that. You take them out and these should not fall out now. Now if they do, that's on me. I do like electrical tape more because it is rubberized and it makes it stick to the nut better. But this is working just fine. That one's a little more than hand tight. And it is wise to roll your window down when doing this. So I'm gonna do that on the next step. All right, so now that you got the nuts off, the mirror's just gonna pop right off. Now for this part, when you're especially working with these tow mirrors, it's nice to have another set of hands to help you, but in my case, I'll figure it out. So we're gonna feed this wire through this square hole right here. All right, now that you've put the mirror back in, see this truck, as I said, did not have power mirrors, but I put the mirrors on here. They came off the truck with the power mirrors. That's an 05 to 07. This is a 99 to 04, but they still bolt right up the same. And I'm gonna investigate a little bit and see if I can find the harness from the factory to attach it to, or I'm gonna create my own harness in another video to actually have power mirrors. All right, so you wanna tighten these in a pattern that doesn't cause the mirror to bind up. You're gonna want to tighten these to like 15 foot-pounds of torque, right about. All right, so you go around. As you tighten one, the other will get loose. So you got to go back and check the ones that you thought were tight because they may not be. And I'm just getting them pretty snug. Pretty much the amount of force it took to get them off of there, I'm putting in there to get them back on there. So just like that, you've replaced your mirror on your 99 to 07 F250, F350, and probably your F150. I haven't owned an F150, so I couldn't tell you. But back together just like that. Let's take a look at it. As I said, this is because I had these laying around, and it does look better on this truck. But you guys might just have a broken mirror and you need to change it. So I just showed you how to make it real easy.